All right, guys, what we have here is...
We've gotten bored of cars and the budget's kind of low, so we decided to go to motorcycles for one or two.
Yeah, so what did you do? Explain to us exactly what you did.
I was driving, this maniac in the Corvette just cut me off.
Maniac in the Corvette. There they are, right there.
Sorry, man. Sorry for the American muscle. Scared the Italian. Can't help it.
Guys, welcome to part 2 of his motorcycle build. The stator cover as well as the bar end grip came in. I'm gonna put them on real quick and then we'll take it for a test drive. Yep, guys, this is actually his bike. Do you even know how to ride a bike?
No.
Okay, perfect. So this is a great starter bike, I think. A little bit scratched up and some assembly required, right?
Yeah, a lot of assembly required. You go right there, and this one here is adjusted.
Ah.
And now you can let it go. Rock solid.
So what do you think? I'm just gonna lay it on the side just to take
That's what you want to do. It's fine.
the stator cover.
Okay. Brake levers and stuff, you can get all that from.
I need new ones. They're all scratched up
You
too.
can get that from B.
How is it? Does it feel? See, this is what I'm replacing right here. See this?
My bike fell over on its side and it broke that too, and I had to order one off of eBay.
As you guys can tell, the stator cover is obviously cracked, and if you kind of lift it up straight vertical, it'll start leaking out oil and stuff. So we're gonna replace that with the brand new one we got off eBay, or somewhat new, or undestroyed.
Undestroyed one off eBay.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it. Okay, man.
Take these off.
Yeah. So we got to take all these bolts off, all the way around.
That's not that bad though.
Are they all the same length?
No.
Okay. So you got to remember how they come out. All right.
I was expecting these to be super tight, but
Hey Joe, can you come here on me a little bit, man? Kind of pull some of these hoses out of the way, please.
Wait a minute. Try to keep the top part rubbing up against here until you get it settled, and then go straight down.
Yeah, because I have guide right here. Where's the other guide? Just one. Just one? What the? Nothing to it but to do it, right? Let's see here. It's grabbing right here on the bottom, Joe. On the bottom right here. There you go, right there. That thing right there. That box. There we go. What's it stuck on?
Hold on, the holes. The holes. Yes.
Sweet. Dude. Joe. Dude. Thank you. Yeah, finally got that on.
The grips, that's a big one.
Now you're getting the shifter.
And then we'll be able to, no, we can't start it yet because of the stupid.
Oh, we'll start it, you know, whatever. If it leaks, we'll just take it off and do it again.
Just like the Mustang, we know how to take the bumper off 3 times.
Yeah, well, if it leaks after that, we'll just take it back off again. But I don't think so.
Exactly what I thought. It just, I don't know.
Yeah, so that slides out. There's gonna be some. Yeah, that falls in between. Okay.
You need a lot of patience with that one. It's on there.
Huh?
Yeah, it's on there all the way.
Yeah, dude. I'll put new ones on when the time comes. You know.
Yeah, yeah. Let him work with that.
He's gonna ride it for a little bit. I'm sure he's gonna fall over. So
Mm-hmm.
we'll put the plastics back on. Putting the shifter on.
Is it supposed to be that low?
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah, because that's where your feet go. Here, just move it up and down. Does it shift? Yeah, I mean up.
Yeah, do that. And like, I think it's good to where it starts.
Yeah.
Or how tight should
No,
be.
bring it
all
up. Bring it up. Just make it nice tight. Okay, good.
You sure that's
How does
good?
it shift? Yeah, check the shifting. Pull that out. Very good.
Downshift.
Good job. Good job, little
Now
buddy.
time to start it.
You want to start it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Turn it on, and then see if it says new. What gear is it in? First gear.
I need neutral, right?
So it needs to come up. Neutral. See that?
Did I start it? Tell me when you did shut it off. I just...
No, you
Oh
do
yeah, I
it.
forgot. You did.
Anyway, pull the key out and
That works.
Is it neutral?
neutral. Yeah. So Mark, show them how to start it,
Then I flip this way.
Yeah, I think you gotta flip that up to where it runs.
and then push the button.
Which button? There's no button.
Start button.
Yeah, where is the start
I
button?
don't think it's start button. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, it's a start button.
Yeah, that's gotta be
Are
one.
you sure?
Yeah,
Pretty
the
sure.
black button underneath, man.
On ignition.
No. Here, push the button.
It says ignition right here. Or it doesn't do anything.
I'm just watching and trying to figure out how to start it. Yeah, the black button.
What blank button?
Right there underneath it.
Oh, there?
Yeah, there you go.
Well, you do it then.
Here, buddy, you do it.
How long should I run it for?
Just till it starts.
So you give a little bit of gas?
No, because it's,
No,
like
it's
from
fuel
the-
injected.
Yeah.
Oh my. That is the loudest thing I have ever heard.
I did that with the ZX12 ones. They don't sound good without a muffler. I don't know why, but it sounds like a tractor
No
or
muffler.
something.
That sounds
Yeah.
like a NASCAR or something. Oh.
That is the loudest thing I have ever heard.
Oh, you got water
Thank
for
you.
us?
Dude,
Awesome.
man.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is that the exhaust they had on it?
No, it's
No,
Yeah.
it's some
it's aftermarket.
custom exhaust this guy made on the
Oh, really?
quality forms.
So that's no muffler at all.
So tell us, how was it?
So there was two other motorcycles, and I kind of whenever they laughed, I heard all of them, you know. Then so you can hear one over there. So pretty much after a while, all I heard was this, and pretty much the whole time they were gone, all I heard was the Ducati.
Guys, it's up and running. We have to do, what do we have to do still? Handlebars. You gotta get handlebars. not handlebars, I'm sorry.
The left one.
The levers, both levers, the skid, handlebar skid, what do they call those things? I don't know what you call them. Gotta get new of this. This is all scratched up as well. You gotta get new fairings. We have the new one of these. You gotta change that as well.
He's still all right. He passed me.
He passed you?
I was going that way. He came this way. He's still out riding.
Dude, so tell us what you think of the loudness of this thing.
I like it. For me, I like it.
This is Joe's ride. I can't afford something like this, but this is...
Yeah, I like that.
You want to take it for a spin?
See, he's out there still joyriding.
Could you hear me when I came in behind you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one. Who's
Huh?
that? That's his?
That's... Oh.
Yeah, that was his. That was his. Because he was right here.
Yeah, because he was right here.
Well,
What's he leaking?
at least ours is. See what I mean? Pow.
Yeah, we got to put the fairings back on, and it's in first gear, I think. That is... How loud is it?
It hurts.
It hurts from here, it hurts. It hurts listening when he's 20 feet.
That's ugly from this angle, but.
This is going to be awesome, man.
What do you think, though?
Yeah, this is going to be awesome. Once you get the brakes and the brake levers.
The back brakes don't work at all.
That's what I was using.
They don't wait. Why?
They don't work. They need to be bled or something.
Yeah, you need to. So I had to use the back end from when I got up. I was like, oh, wait a minute, no brakes.
Well, that's the problem on this one. You don't have a front brake.
Dude, I went looking for you.
You forget that. Well, I saw you, but I was just.
I was like, where is he?
Get a little heat.
Joe, so give us an opinion. What do you think? You're a big,
I would leave the exhaust.
huh?
I would leave the exhaust.
That's loud. Dude, when you were like 100 feet away, it hurt. It was that loud.
I like that.
Yeah, it's,
We need to work on the brakes. That's the number one thing.
We're pretty much done for today. Ignore this whole side. The other side is good, but this side has a problem. It's like it's a dent. Just ignore that. It's fine.
we still got to order a whole bunch more parts and everything else like that.
This is what it's going to look like when it's finished. We're going to get it to try to look like this right here.
Yeah.
And it's going to be awesome sounding.
All right, guys, we will see you on the next video.